Now our analysis on our USDJPY for this week. But before you go, please, I want you to just subscribe to this my channel, like and share. Now you can see, if you watch my video, I predicted that our price will actually be pushing up, which it actually gave us the price. If you are watching my daily analysis, you'll be getting the update where I said that we'll be going bullish, and we actually did. And also I also predicted something of Friday, this Friday, where our price will probably be dropping. We actually added a drop, but one thing is that we actually had that push up again. I was not expecting that. I was only hoping that we'll have a drop and close that bearish, but guess what, our price pushes up, then get by closing bullish for the day. But anyway, it is not bad. Those of you take your trade, you should have at least made some profit out of it. So definitely now we are going to be seeing, where do you think our price will actually be moving? We are definitely aiming to go bullish on our USDJPY. But before that, we want to be seeing one more drop again, one more drop to hit this our resistance, to this our support level. One more drop, then we actually have that bullish move and a breakout upward on our USDJPY. That's exactly what we are planning to trade, because our USD index, we are actually waiting for a drop, a reversal move. Since our price has actually gone bullish, we've saw this retracement here, we've actually gone bullish now. Now we are going to get another retracement this week, then before we continue going bullish upward. So definitely we'll be seeing it affecting our USD JPY, whereby we are having that pullback on our USD index. Our USD JPY should actually have that pullback also, then a bullish move and a breakout upward on our USD JPY. Same thing with our daily time frame. If you are to analyze it on our daily time frame, you can see it here. We are actually aiming the same thing. It's still showing us the same thing. Definitely would want to see another drop, then we actually now see that bullish move on our USD JPY. Now lastly, on our 1 hour time frame, as you can see, our price is still actually ranging here. If you want to change the ranging move, you can still say, if you want to change the ranging move, then you will mark it as our resistance and also highlight it as our support. So definitely, what are we waiting for? We would want our price to come down to this our support area, then push up to this our resistance, and when we break above it, then we actually go break above it with it. So that is exactly what our USD JPY will actually be showing us this week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.